Now, I'll try to show you a bit around what HEEDS is about, because you already know Moldex3D well, and HEEDS might be certainly a new tool for you. And the idea of HEEDS is that it automates and accelerates the process optimization for doing large design space explorations. Okay, and what HEEDS um, brings with for you is that up until now you were doing single evaluations, right? And most of them manually. But by using HEEDS, you can just simply specify the goals and the requirements of a certain design, and HEEDS will search the design space for you for an optimal solution. Okay. Now, um, when we are talking about HEEDS, we're not only talking about optimization. And when we're talking about HEEDS, we like to talk about four enabling technologies that are in the DNA of HEEDS. And the first enabling technology is what we call process automation. And what do we mean by process automation? Is that we can create workflows of many different CAD tools or CAE tools, okay? And we can integrate them in a single architecture, okay? So, and for doing that, we have something that we call the portals. And the portals are these icons you're seeing here, okay? And these portals are a direct interface between a calculation package, let's say, for example, Excel or Star CCM or an X, and HEEDS. So we have an automatic way of communicating with these tools. And therefore, we can create complex workflows. So not only a tool, for instance, in this case, we have a common geometry that is feeding CFD calculation with Star CCM, and it's feeding the same geometry to a FEM calculation using Nastran. Okay, so you see that with these arrows, how the information flow is going. And we create, for example, in this case, AMSIM is a tool for doing system simulation. And the results of this tool system simulation also feeds Star CCM and Nastran with data, right? And at the end, we can also integrate, for instance, a cost model in Excel. So we're able to leverage those portals in order to create complex automated workflows.